Ongoing advances in medical technology mean that survival rates of individuals suffering from the most serious forms of spinal injury have increased dramatically in the last decade. Fortunately, this increase in survival rates of the most severely injured people has been matched by technological developments, all of which are designed to provide an improved quality of life for spinal injury patients and to help with their care at home with their families. Patients whose vocal cords have been paralyzed as a result of a spinal injury can now speak through the use of a voice synthesizer. Simple eye movements can be used for computer control of doors, windows, lights, heating and other household appliances. All in all, these technological developments mean that individuals with a spinal injury can lead still a full and rewarding life. However, the technologies that offer loved ones with a spinal injury the ability to live with some independence are expensive. When choosing a lawyer to pursue your compensation claim from insurers, it is essential that the firm selected has a broad experience of serious injury compensation cases so that they can properly assess the full value of the claim. The compensation award secured must be sufficient to cover the ongoing costs of care, equipment and provision of a living space suitable for your loved one with a spinal injury victim and your family, and it must be enough to last for your injured family member's lifetime. Rightly or wrongly, once a settlement has been made for an accident involving a spinal injury, there is no recourse for either the victim or their family to apply to the courts for additional funds at a later date. Selecting the legal firm for your loved one's spinal injury compensation case. Fortunately, families don't have to go through the process of finding specialist nursing care and the latest technological expertise alone. There are many charities that can offer some advice and guidance, but expert practical help can also come from an unexpected quarter. The legal firm selected to represent your family in a spinal injury compensation case. When selecting the legal firm to represent your family in a spinal injury compensation case, you should check how many serious injury cases the firm has successfully completed in the past. What spinal injury compensation awards were achieved and were they adequate? If possible, you should ask to see case history reports or ask to speak directly with past clients to see what practical assistance they received both before and after the compensation claim has been awarded. If the answer to any of these questions is no, you should consider looking for a different firm of lawyers. Additionally, the time taken for a settlement of a spinal injury claim can be as long as 5 years, and while the case is being heard there will still be requirements for specialist equipment and care, as well as adaptations to homes and vehicles. Your firm should be able to seek an interim award for spinal injury from your insurer's assist to help your family with any immediate costs. It is essential that you choose solicitors that are fully able to give your family all the help you need to support your loved one with a spinal injury. Therefore, take your time to ensure that the legal practice you choose offers the full complement of support and assistance you will need in the months and years ahead.